Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two drones that are packed with amazing features. We have the Bwine F7MINI drone and the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. When it comes to capturing stunning aerial footage, the camera quality is crucial. The Bwine F7MINI drone boasts a 4K UHD camera with a shock absorption ball imported from Germany. This ensures that you can capture high-resolution details and enjoy epic wide-angle shots from a bird's-eye view. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone features a 2-axis motorized gimbal and a 4K ICE camera with electric image stabilization. This guarantees vivid footage without missing any details. To truly enjoy your drone flying experience, flight performance is essential. The Bwine F7MINI drone comes with GPS SmartFly technology, which includes features like automatic return, intelligent functions, and stable hovering capabilities. With 2 batteries and up to 60 minutes of flight time, you can have double the fun. Meanwhile, the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone impresses with its powerful brushless motors and a maximum battery life of 26 minutes. It also offers a maximum remote control distance of 999 meters, giving you plenty of room to explore. For beginners or those who value ease of use, user-friendliness is a key factor. The Bwine F7MINI drone features a unique design with a foldable structure, making it easy to carry anywhere without restrictions. Its brushless motors also provide a quieter flight experience. On the other hand, the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone offers multiple user-friendly functions such as headless mode, automatic takeoff, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. These features make it easy for anyone to pilot the drone. Safety should always be a top priority when flying drones. The Bwine F7MINI drone comes with 9 kinds of overcurrent protection when charging and a layer of protection net for the motors. This ensures a longer motor life and safe storage when not in use. The Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone is equipped with a GPS module and optical flow positioning, making it safer, more reliable, and offering extraordinary anti-interference capabilities. It also features emergency stop, smart return to home, and 1-key return functions to prevent the drone from getting lost. Based on online reviews, here's a summary of the overall sentiments for the two drones. And there you have it, our comparison between the Bwine F7MINI drone and the Holy Stone 2-axis gimbal GPS drone. While both drones offer impressive features, the Holy Stone drone takes the lead in terms of camera quality, user-friendliness, and safety features. However, if flight performance and longer flight time are your priorities, the Bwine drone is a great choice. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.